Choosing the right portable drone is not easy. Some suffer from weak GPS, short flight time, shaky footage, or poor obstacle avoidance. That's why modern 2026 drones are getting smarter, with 4K to 8K cameras, brushless motors, long-range control, and AI tracking features. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best portable drones of 2026 that are perfect for travel, aerial photography, and professional content creation. All models offer strong performance, smart flight modes, and stable control for beginners and pros alike. Number 5. L600 PRO MAX 4K GPS Drone. The L600 PRO MAX is a 2026 upgraded 4K professional drone designed for stable aerial shooting and long-range flying. It comes with a dual camera system, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and GPS-assisted flight for accurate positioning. With up to 5 km transmission range, it ensures smooth live FPV viewing without lag. The brushless motors provide strong wind resistance and longer lifespan. It also includes 360-degree obstacle avoidance for safer flying. Perfect for beginners and semi-pro users who want cinematic aerial footage in a compact design. Number 4. K19 Max GPS Obstacle Avoidance Drone. The K19 Max is a feature-rich GPS drone with advanced 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance for safer flight in complex environments. It supports panoramic shooting and 5G transmission for smooth real-time video. The optical flow positioning helps maintain stable hovering even indoors. It also includes an airdrop function for creative use cases. With intelligent flight modes and beginner-friendly controls, it is ideal for travel vloggers and hobby pilots who want stable aerial shots without worrying about crashes or drift. Number 3. Lenovo GT3 Max 8K Drone. The Lenovo GT3 Max is a powerful aerial photography drone offering 8K HD camera capability and intelligent flight features. It uses brushless motors for improved efficiency and durability, while optical flow positioning ensures stable hovering. The drone includes smart obstacle avoidance for safer navigation during flight. Its large-screen remote controller enhances control visibility and ease of use. Designed for content creators, it delivers high-resolution aerial shots suitable for professional-level video production and cinematic landscapes. Number 2. S156 8K FPV Smart Drone. The S156 quadcopter drone is a high-performance 8K camera drone designed for smooth FPV flying and professional aerial photography. It supports 5G Wi-Fi transmission for low-latency video streaming and comes with a large 4.5-inch screen controller for better control experience. The drone includes optical flow positioning for stable indoor flight and GPS support for outdoor accuracy. With intelligent flight modes and responsive controls, it is a great choice for users who want premium features at a more accessible level. Number 1. Potensic ATOM 2 4K HDR Drone Model. The Potensic ATOM 2 is the most advanced and lightweight drone on this list, weighing under 249 grams for travel-friendly portability. It features a 4K HDR camera, 8K photo capability, and a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth cinematic footage. With up to 10-kilometer transmission range, AI tracking, AI night shot, and vertical shooting modes, it is built for serious creators. The smart flight system makes it easy to control even for beginners, while still delivering professional-grade aerial results for travel, vlogging, and filmmaking. These portable drones offer a powerful mix of 4K, 8K cameras, GPS stability, long-range control, and smart AI features. Whether you're a beginner or content creator, each model brings something unique for aerial photography and travel shooting. Pick the one that fits your needs and start capturing stunning skies today.